Okay, good evening. So, welcome to my newly video. So, this tutorial are for how to install pip package and pandas package in Python 3.1 support the Windows operating system. So, okay, let's start. So, by the way, if you wondered why I upload this video, because as you observe, my YouTube page is all about games. So I'm not a person always games. Uh, so I would like to share my knowledge in different technologies. Quick View is a page that has that focus on technology, not only game, different types of technology, web, uh, data engineering, cloud, and cloud technology, business enterprise solutions, and other stuffs that are related to information technology. So I start my tutorial uh, video in Python. So wait and just wait, and a lot of more to come. So I will upload in the futures for SQL tricks, tips and tricks for the SQL trigger, store procedure, how to run deploy a job using SQL Server from C Sharp, uh, and keep follow my page. So thank you. So let's start. I will discuss one by one. To install a pip in Python, download the script in bootstrap.py.o. So you will need this file get.py because this file contain all the metadata that invoke in the Python function that needs to be um, deployed in the library part of the Python library. So at this point, my Python library, I install my Python in this library part. So as you can see, this name is not JP because my current desktop I'm using is from my sister, which I um, currently using because I'm currently upgrading my personal desktop. So you can see come here. So in this part, this is the actual Python folder, including the bin, script, library. But so once you install Python, you must locate this path. Kami update all local. This app, I will highlight it. I will highlight it. App local branch Python. If you want to. Then run the command py-getpu.py. Py-getpu.py. It means in Windows you execute the script in Python py. Yeah. Py-getpu.py. Then you will see the output. This is the output. Collecting pips, downloading the data, downloading the then if you're successful, you must see a network successful installed pip latest version setup tools. Yeah. So go to this one. This is the actual output. User update Windows Panda. Wait, sorry. This one. Get python.kpy. Downloading necessary metadata library. It is notified. You can see this one. I will highlight it. Yeah, it successfully installed pip-24 setup to 6 months. So it means you deploy successfully the pip library. Yeah, that's all. If you have questions, just email me. Then download the pandas package in the website below. So this panda package you can see in the actual pandas website. This one. You can note that while watching this video, I highlighted in that one part. As you can see, yeah, this one. Okay. So extract the panda library into Python below. So this is the Python library. So yeah, I gave you 1 minute to take a note that. Okay. Then if you have confused in this, you can play again and again this video. If you don't know and you have questions, just email me. This is my email address, viewpal205@hotmail.com. Okay. So you can see on this one. So as after that, you deploy in the library folder. Uh, Install the pandas. Pip install pandas 2. Pip install pandas the command. Pip install pandas. Then this will be the output. Collecting pandas metadata, downloading pandas library. You can see it download MB, small size. Then just ignore this warning because it's installed in the app directory of the user. Then this one, you can start now to create panda script and to have playing around with data print. Data print, this is the um, data set of the pandas library. Data set. You don't have to input query. You just call the field and what is the equivalent column, and you will return the result. So I will explain the script in the next video. Thank you.